no joke, man. This is serious packing, I'm telling you. Oh, this is serious. Oh, it is. This is it, guys. As you can see, this is a brand new Samsung 8 kg front load washing machine. Brand new. Yeah, brand new. Super beautiful. Looks good. It is advisable to remove the shipping bolts that comes with your washing machine. Now, if you look at the back of your washing machine, you will see that it has transit bolts. Now, these bolts are important because they are designed to hold and secure the drum in a fixed position. During transportation, the washing machine drum is weighted, and so the electronic internals would get damaged if the drum were to accidentally swing into them. That's why when you receive now your machine, you are supposed to remove the shipping bolts before you start using your machine. If you don't remove the shipping bolts, this could cause heavy vibration, noise, and malfunction to the machine, and therefore void the warranty. The suspension inside the washing machine also won't be able to work if this happens. So that's why it's important to always remove the shipping bolts before you begin using your brand new washing machine. So it's important to remove these shipping bolts from your washer. Yeah, this is how they look like. Yeah. This is how they look like. And they are normally 4 in number. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove these shipping bolts from your washing machine. And you see, if you do not remove these shipping bolts, you can damage your machine. Yeah, so it's very important, and it's a requirement of the manufacturer that you remove these shipping bolts before you begin using your new Samsung washer. So now using your spanner, most washing machine comes with the spanner to remove these shipping bolts and also to help you adjust the stands, or rather the legs of your washing machine. So even if yours does not have a spanner, you can look for a spanner or something that you can use to unfasten these bolts. And so what you're supposed to do is just to unfasten them one by one, as you can see the way I'm doing here, and make sure to remove these shipping bolts. Now, I've had many people write me emails, and sometimes in comments, in the comment section, complain that their machine is vibrating, their machine is making a lot of noise, the machine is working, and most of the time I ask them if they removed the shipping bolts. And when they remove the shipping bolts, they come back and tell me that they are thankful that their machine is working fine. So I thought to do this video because it is important. It is just something small that you're supposed to do when you receive your brand new washing machine, and this is a real lifesaver. Now, most washing machine brands do come with caps that you can use to cover the holes after you remove the shipping bolts. Now, they are always good for aesthetic, so it's important if you have them just to cover the holes.